Hey guys, what's going on? Let's talk about the first week here in December, December 1st for the 4th. Um, we want to make sure we're wrapping everything up here in Chapter 3 with Designs by Dolores and Justin's Lawn Care with putting your images on from Chapter 3. So here's an example I have on my screen right now for Justin's Lawn Care where you have a background image. You went back and replaced the logo text here with an actual image. You put some separate images on your page in your content section, and also you added a background image to your sidebar over here to the right. Just a reminder, make sure you're using my link in my agenda to get to my YouTube section where you can look at my playlist. So for my playlist in Chapter 3, certainly you'll be able to see and review the video criteria along with the expectations for each of these. So that should wrap everything up with Chapter 3. So that's going to be top priority. And then we're going to be moving into Chapter 4. So I have a little bit of a lull here to give you some time to get back working on gallery, but gallery will be due on Wednesday, December 9th, but then we get rolling from there. So a little bit of a preview for what we're doing here in Chapter 4. So essentially, we're going to be working on 3 pages in gallery. We're going to be adding tables onto both your services page and your pricing page. 1 table with lines or borders and 1 table without any borders. Whenever we want to display information sort of across the page and organize it, a table is a great way to do that. So again, these are pretty straightforward. There's not much change between CS6 and CC versions of Adobe. I do have some videos out there that will certainly address some of the minor differences that can help you out. Then we're going to go back and we're going to start working with forms. And really, this is the main point of Chapter 4, working with forms. And that will lead us into Chapter 5 when we talk about validating the information on forms. So sort of 4 and 5 go together. And that will sort of chew up for a good part of the December of what we're going to be working on. So again, this is just simply a preview of what we want to be doing. Again, same thing as before. You want to make sure you use my link in my agenda to get back out to my playlist so you can see, again, what the criteria will be for each of these. Again, we have on December 9th the gallery, but then on the 11th, we want to go back and we have the apply, the extend and write. Again, they're very short. They're simply modifications. They don't take too long to do. So again, we're going to start rolling with Chapter 4 and make sure we get everything right so we can slide right into Chapter 5 later in the month. Let me know if you have any questions.